Ever split a dinner bill with friends and get hit with a barrage of Venmo me requests? It's the digital age, after all, and that little blue icon has become synonymous with splitting costs. But what if you need that cash back in your actual bank account? Can you liberate your Venmo funds from the app's grasp? Let's face it, bills don't care if your money is chilling in a digital wallet. Rent, groceries, that online shopping spree you forgot about, they all demand real, cold hard cash, or at least a transfer to your bank. So, the question remains, can you be your own financial hero and transfer money from Venmo to your bank account? The suspenseful answer is yes. Venmo, bless its digital heart, does allow you to escape the app and reunite your funds with your bank account. But there are a few things to consider before you initiate the great Venmo escape. Escape Route 1, the free, but slower lane. Think of this option as the scenic route. It's free, but it takes a little longer. If you're not in a rush to get your hands on that cash, this might be the perfect choice. Here's how it works. Open the Venmo app and navigate to the beautiful you, your profile picture in the glorious Me tab. Look for the magic button. It might say Manage Balance or Transfer Money depending on your app version. Click on that and unleash the financial freedom. You'll be presented with a glorious choice, Transfer to Bank. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Tap it gently. Here comes the not-so-glamorous part, choosing the transfer speed. The free option, lovingly titled 1 to 3 business days, might not be ideal if you need the money yesterday. But hey, it gets the job done eventually, and hey, free. Escape Route 2, the speedy, but fee-inducing, route. Think of this option as the highway. It gets you where you need to be fast, but there's a toll booth. If you absolutely need that cash ASAP, Venmo offers an instant transfer option. Here's the catch, there's a fee involved. It's a small percentage, currently 1.75% with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25, but a fee nonetheless. So, the choice is yours, free and slow, or fast with a little financial sting. Bonus tip, automate your escape. While Venmo doesn't have built-in automatic transfers, there are third-party services that can help you set them up. Just be sure to do your research and choose a reputable option. You wouldn't want your hard-earned cash taking an unexpected detour. There you have it. The mystery of the Venmo transfer is solved. You are now equipped with the knowledge to liberate your funds and conquer those real-world financial challenges. Remember, with great digital wallets comes great responsibility. Use them wisely, and don't be afraid to make that transfer when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.